So, creators, oh, do I have a tutorial for you today? Okay, so as long as you have a Gmail account, you're able to do this for absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything. And watch this. And I want to show you how AI, now if you're utilizing it, how it's going to change the way you do things. It's going to help you right then and there. Okay. Again, I told y'all, I said on the 19th I was going to start, but I'm going to start right now because what I want to show you is how to be effective in your business. And this is a free gem. So on Google, you just go to AI, Google AI Studio, like so. So it's going to come up is aistudio.google.com. You're going to log into it. Okay. Once you have logged into it, on the model over here, it might be just on the regular like Gemini, but you're going to come over here and go to Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. You can go right there. Then you are going to stream in real time. From there, you're going to share your screen. Okay. So once you share your entire stream, if it asks you, hey, do you want to allow this, blah, 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 say allow. So you're going to share the screen. Okay. Just 1 second. Give me 1 second. Okay. All right. So okay. So I'm gonna come over here to our screen over here. So I'm gonna go to app.creative-academy.com. Yes. Okay, so check this out. I'm gonna put the screen on in just a second, but what I want to do is create a funnel for a future course, and I kind of need help building it. Building that, I am using the Go High Level platform, and I want to be able to do this. So I'm gonna create, go on my sub account, and I'm gonna go in the funnel section. Can you help me with that? Yes. Am I in the right spot? Awesome. So what do I do next? Yes, I would like to create a new funnel. Yeah. Well, I did. I clicked on the funnel now. So what do I do next? Okay. I guess we can start blank, and we can build from there. In the creative intensive. Yes. I guess on the first page, I want to create like a landing page, and on the landing page, I wanted to have like a video, you know, a catchy headline that would attract the people that I am trying to attract to this particular things are content creator, ministry leaders, people who create things online and they don't have a system in place to manage like their CRM, etc. And yeah, so is that enough information to get started? Yes. Yes. Mhm. Intensive landing page. Um, I would like to continue by myself. Okay, so now that I have went to the page and everything, I want to start building it, and obviously I'm building it from scratch. What is the first thing that I need to do? Okay, so in the event where it's like something went wrong, only thing you have to literally do is just refresh it, okay? Because I think it has like a little time limit and stuff, but you just continue to do the same thing there. So no, actually, I'm building a funnel inside of here just to continue kind of like where we left off at earlier. And I got the section, and I guess the first thing I need to do because I'm creating this from blank is to create a um a headline that would capture somebody's attention. I would like to use the kind of the like a low bearing offer model, also using ADAs as well. And what I'm selling is a future course I'm going to have that's called the Creative Intensive. And what it does, it takes creatives through an intensive program for like 16 weeks. And what it do is provide them a streamlined system and everything like that, like from content management, things of that nature. So can you help me create a catchy headline for that? Correct. It should convey like stop losing money now and getting this course basically. I don't like that. Can you have something else? Okay, I like that. Can you do something like that, but maybe with that have a low bearing offer for on like start for only $1 and start, something like that. Hmm. Okay, so once I have that, what should I do next after that? Maybe some maybe like a section for video. So should I add like a video right there? Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna add that now. So I'll add that there. Okay. I'll keep that placeholder there and I'll go and I'll fill in the video, right? And so the next part I want to create a button that says like maybe join now, or should I have more on there? Hmm. No, like after the button for those who want to keep on reading, or they might want to, like, should I have some Q&A or something like that on there? That's correct. Yes. Yeah, some things that can go after the button. If you can see on my screen, there's pre-built sections on here, and I'm using the Go High Level Builder. Is there anything where you recommend? All right, so I'm gonna stop it right there just to kind of show you. But as you see, with this, you'd have to refresh because it only gives you a certain amount of minutes to go. But as you see, you're literally sharing the screen with the AI, and as long as you tell it what you're doing, it can help you and it guides you. What? Oh my God, y'all! Do y'all know how powerful this is? Well, I'm gonna let y'all go with this. Like I told y'all, I wanted to share this with y'all so you guys can have that. You have that tool up your sleeves, and you can do that with anything, even a soft, even like a regular software or something like that. All right. Until next time, God bless.